JCLady.
Hi there, this is Joanna, JCLady from the channel JCLady Alternative Education. So this is the next video about grammar, Polish grammar, or grammar in general maybe. Grammar is sacred is the title, the topic. Yeah, grammar is sacred because the reality is sacred. There is no such thing as the material world and the spiritual world, like that they are separated. Not really. They're mingled, they are intermingled, and basically everything has soul. Because you cannot say that God is only in some animated beings, in some spiritual beings, like people, for example, and it's not in a stone. Yes, it is. God is everywhere. And that's why the world, the whole world, the earth is sacred. Everything is sacred. And that's why everything has a soul. Because it has this spark of God. All right. Now, what about grammar? Grammar is sacred. You will see the connection in a moment. Now, first, let's start with the definition. In Polish, because I'm talking about Polish grammar, because it's ancient and it's very basic. Gramatyka. Like English, it's grammar, French is grammaire. Gramatyka. It's the beginning is similar. So we've got gra, g in Polish is similar to k. It's just the question of which one is voiced and which one is not. So g is voiced, you can hear it well, and k is voiceless, right? Not really exactly, but like you can hear it lower sound. It's not like h in French that you just don't pronounce it. No, it's just lower or higher that you pronounce it. Okay, so k in Polish it means ku, it means to something, all right, or up to. So it goes ku, ra. Now, in this world, gramatyka, it's everything. It's like yin yang, because all together it gives them. It's okay, wait. I didn't put the micro. I hope you will hear me. I'm not going to do it now. Okay, I will just speak loud. So, in this world, gramatyka, you've got everything, yin yang. It's like Durga. It's the basic matriarchal, the mother, which has everything inside. It's the basic god, goddess, whatever, everything together. Basic creature, spiritual, basic creator, and at the same time we can separate it, because we can talk about yin and yang separately, because they are at the same time always together, mingled, and separated. They separate and mingle, separate and go together. Changes. The male principle in gramatyka, grammar, it's ra. Now, ra, in English, in Polish it would be ra, it's a male principle, God principle, right? It's the male creator, and it's the one, like in Egypt, right? God Ra, and at the same time, it's that one who inseminates earth. This is also Zeus. This is also a Perun, Slavic god. This is the one who has the lightning. The one, and this is the male tool, you can say. In Polish, the sound R, it means the tool that is not really sharp, but it's like the tool that you use for plowing. Is the plow, what you use for working with earth, female principle, right? So that's Ra. Ra, it's male principle, the one that works with the tool. And of course, in all that, we've got the concept of sex, because all the whole universe is based in sex, because all the yin yang mixing and separating there and back, there and back, there and back, that's what it is. That's why its sex is sacred. And in grammar, you've got it. Can you imagine? Okay, so this is Ra. G, Ra, K, Ku, Ra. It's male principle. Now what about the other part? Mar. It's matyka, and in Polish we get like in French you get mer. It's a female principle, female goddess. Matrix, the one who creates. Matka in Polish is mother, but it's much deeper, because matka is the one who has tka, nine, meaning the matter. She's got the material to create. And because the woman principle, the woman needs the insemination, needs the tool, male tool, of course, but and it goes inside, but basically the mother, the woman works with her body. Her body, her energy is the matter, is this matrix, right? The thing you create with. And this is even deeper, because tka in Polish, it's like the mother, ma. Look, ma basically is already mother. It doesn't have to be mother. No, ma is the mother. So in Polish we've got matka. Also, it means the one who weaves the lives of people, everything that happens in the world, all the connections, everything. Sometimes we don't see how things are connected. So that's tka. This is weaving, with Moira's palkas. Do I pronounce it well? The goddesses, 3 goddesses who they are weaving the life of a person. Okay. Yeah, it's getting too long. I managed to do it shorter in Polish. Okay, look. So this is the definition. Now, why do I talk about it? Because grammar, it's like the basic rules of the world. That's how the world works. Yin, yang, all mingling. And it's a circle. We've got all 4 holidays, 4 rites of passage, 4 seasons, and everything goes one. It's like a cross that at the same time is in a cycle, in a circle. And that's grammar. And grammar is sacred, and there are sacred rules that talk about how do we use this matter, which is the language. There are rules, okay, but how do you use this matrix, this matter? How do you use it? How do you use male power, meaning manifestation, and how do you use the matter, the words? And at the end, I just want to tell you that, remember, words create. The words create. You just need to know the rules, but the rules are inside you. It's a matrix. You have it inside. Already Chomsky said it, okay? But then you need to be conscious how you use the words. In this Jewish book, Bible, it said, at the beginning there was the word, and the word was with God, okay? But in the other fragment it says that the word creates. God just said one word, let it be. So let's be conscious and create our word. Let's manifest. Bye-bye. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.